bountiful year for these beauties. Chokecherries last year, all the leaves were chewed off and yucky. This very old tree is definitely abundant. This is great. I can't believe how thick this tree is with these chokecherries, especially during this drought. This is amazing. What a nice surprise. Well, these guys won't be ready for another week or two, and every bit counts. And I know where these are going. Right into some jelly. Gonna mix it with some wild apples. It's the ultimate jelly.